Hi guys! I'm back to my YouTube channel. There you go. Andito na naman ang lola nyo. Nagpapatubig kasi mainit ang radiator ng sasakyan. Guys, ako ngayon ang magtutubig kasi nakalimutan kong inano yan. Siyempre, old fashion na tong sasakyan na model 2000 something or 96 pa yata or 96. So, nagtutubig ako ngayon ng tubig. My car is almost how many years na guys, so pasensya na kayo at hindi pa tayo hindi pa tayo nakapag-ipon ng pambili ng bagong sasakyan for in case, itim ko na guys, for the 2,000 na naman pang regalo sa sarili ko kasi I have so many project at the moment. Alam nyo na, hindi yun ang importante. The best important in my life is to finish the project. Andito, I'm here next to my mom's place. Yeah. Yan ang bahay ng mom ko during the day. And here's the water, the dispenser. Yan ang sasakyan ni Lola. That's the hall for my mom's hall. Andito tayo sa bundok ngayon. Sa Yan. Every time I use the car, I make sure na kompleto ang tubig, tubig ng wiper, tubig sa radiation. Of course, mahirap na kasi na madry yan. And of course, make sure the fuel is okay. This is model 2000 thing, I think 96 pa. Bata pa yung anak kong lalaki noon. So, ganun talaga. And here's the other car, right? Just at the back. Yan ay isang brand new car. So, I seldom use that one kasi my dad used that and I use this one kasi pag nabangga ko to, ay sa cross finger sana naman, akin naman to. So, I think kasi most tricycle driver here guys, hindi ko naman nila lahat. So, they didn't learn the proper driving guys. Basta just they keep driving without looking at the side mirror, front mirror, and of course the right mirror in the middle mirror. Kaya medyo mahirap it's really hard to drive, especially those people around you, those drivers. Sige lang nang sige, they keep driving without looking the real you know, you have to be alert looking at the side mirror, left mirror, side mirror, front mirror, and of course you have to look in front of you kung meron kang if you have mga ibang klaseng I mean those drivers. Hindi naman ako perfect, I'm not perfect, so make sure you drive safely if you're driving back in the Philippines kasi mostly even a 12 years old boy can use a bike now, can drive now, and that's without the proper schooling for driving like me. So it's really hard to drive once you drive in the city kasi every time many tricycle boys and girls, they just keep going without seeing the signboard. So yun ang mahirap dito sa probinsya and of course even in the city. And there you go guys, look at the view just around that corner. That one is in the city, probably that's in Nueva Vizcaya, Ibung or Bintawan. So this is the place Bagabag, that's Bintawan area somewhere down there. So during the night, basta magandang panahon, you can see all the light everywhere there. Ang ganda ng views guys, kaso nga lang every time umuulan naman dito, so I can't show you the view of the city. So I can only show you the city in the Bantay dito sa itaas ng bundok. So everywhere there is houses, there's so many houses around there, just crossing the main road. Ito ang main road guys. Yeah, that's the main road. Yeah, and those the other, you know, that mountain is around the creek, and here, and that's the beautiful mountain guys. Talagang ang ganda yung mountain na yan guys. Mostly at around during the typhoon or rainy days, you cannot see that mountain kasi it's covered with clouds. Even in the morning it's full of clouds, kaya yan talaga. Yan na yung bundok. It's really full of clouds guys. Yan. Okay, thank you once again. Thank you for watching, and of course I miss you all guys. Hope to see you at uwi na at magluluto si Lola. Alam nyo na, nagluto na yung PA ko kanina, but of course umuwi na siya kasi she works till 5 o'clock only in the afternoon. The color is look like Yaki, but this is the really main road. It's around, I don't know the meters, but you can park 20 cars here. That's huge. 1, 2, that's 2. Yeah, 5, 10, 15, 20, maybe more than 20 cars can park here. Yes, that's huge guys. Yes, okay, thank you once again. Hope to see you very soon guys, and of course love you all. See you, and please subscribe, comment, like, and share everyone. See you around. God bless. Bye.